as you heard, the University of Northern Iowa is a special place and dedicated to education. And you talked a little about your work as an educator as well. What is it that first drew you to education?
Well, I decided in the second grade, I was like a lot of people. I made a very adult decision in the second grade. I loved my second grade teacher so much, I wanted to be just like her. And I did stay friends with her for the rest of her life. So I always going through. I played school a lot as a little kid, and then I went to SMU and got a degree in education. Immediately went to work as a teacher in Dallas the first year. And then I thought, well, I ought to quit and go work downtown. By this time I lived in Houston, and I'm just isolated in the school. So I briefly had a job at a brokerage firm in Houston, and I found it boring. Teaching can be really difficult and really hard, but really with all those personalities, it's never boring. So I went back to teaching. So I ended up teaching in Dallas Independent School District, in Houston Independent School District, and then in Austin. And so that was really great experience for me when George ran for governor, because I'd worked in 3 of the big school districts in our state. And of course, education is so important to a governor's role. So anyway, it was very helpful that I had all those years in the classroom. I loved it. I love teaching. I like kids. I'm amused by children.